Welcome back to Miss Elaine. So as those of you who follow my channel know, it's been kind of a long year for my family with like COVID and all that. My mom and dad got hit pretty hard, and my mom, she's still kind of recovering from it. My dad is actually home now. We decided that since it's summertime, we wanted to do a fun little trip for the family, and we're going to take my dad camping and just try to enjoy ourselves after this rough year that we've had. Once mom gets out, we'll end up trying to do another little kind of trip for her as well. That's basically what this video is going to be. Me packing for the camping trip and some clips from, our trips. So let's get started. So some of the stuff I won't end up adding. This is kind of a worst case scenario kind of a list. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw everything into the floor. I mean, that's kind of the usual at my house. That's not for you. I also just recently got a cast iron skillet that I'll probably not clean right and ruin, but look how pretty it is right now. I got the baby spoon for Travis. Hey, can you grab these bags and all these bags?
No, you didn't say it like this.
What did I say then?
You said, hey, can you grab all these bags and these other bags and go put them in the car?
Can you grab all these bags and take all these bags out to the shed?
The shed?
Ah! Can you grab all these bags
Maybe.
and take all these bags out to the car?
You just said the joke.
Oh, can you bring all these bags?
No. Maybe.
Okay, what was the joke?
All these bags.
All these bags out to the car. I hate everything.
Robotic eye. Yeah.
He freezes all of a sudden.
I should have just froze and stared into the camera.
Here's your chance. All these bags?
All these bags.
So we are waiting on Dalton because he is really, really slow and we're hungry. So I don't care about your shake. Anyways, does McDonald's milkshake brings all the I'm not even gonna finish that. Anyways, so we're getting McDonald's before we go to the campsite because Dalton's slow. Let me see your chocolate milkshake. Vanilla on the front, a little dab of chocolate on the side. I don't know why you keep talking about bears. It's not like we're in a typical bear area.
No. When you open it, you can just...
And we are slowly unpacking everything.
Bear in your face. Like what if you're just... You're gonna get up in the middle of the night because you hear something.
Yeah, you should probably zip these windows because, you're not going to sleep with the windows open.
Yeah, see, so I could...
You got to zip your windows. You got to be safe. You got to be safe. What are you talking about? You're not going to sleep with the windows down. Are you crazy? Bears aren't very good at closing windows, turns out.
Now I have no way to defend myself against the bear because I can't close my door. I'm already eaten.
Oh, wait.
This is the wrong zipper.
Yeah. You just hang out for a minute. You just stay right there. All right, it's morning. Come on out.
So I could just be laying here. This is my point of view. What's this?
Because I don't know how to set that one up. Mine's easy. It's easy for a simpleton like myself.
I got your hellish knot untangled.
I mean, if it took you that long to untangle that, maybe I'm not the only simpleton here. You get it?
Yep.
Great, now untangle that one.
Is that a bear?
Alright, so here's where me, Travis, and Dad will be sleeping, and my little nephew. And then this is where Dalton's gonna be sleeping. We gotta test it first.
Seems pretty sturdy.
Now put your whole body on it, because we're not just measuring your torso. We gotta make sure it's safe for Grandpa.
Will I be safe testing it for Grandpa?
Now lay down. It's nappy time. Here, you guys jumped on your face. It looks like a stretcher. You ever put up a tent that's not that one?
Nope, especially not a musty one.
It smells so bad. I'm gonna have you like slowly work this down as I work it into the next one. Oh no, where's the next one? I'm confused. I'm figuring it out. Alright. Oh no. You guys can't smell this tent, but it smells like pure must.
I hate these tents.
Yeah,
My least favorite tents of all.
I'd
Okay,
never
this
put...
tent isn't so bad.
Okay, Dalton, your tent's ready. Dalton takes 10 years to get Dad, and we end up having to set up his tent.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
I like how the opening for this tent is on this side, and then ours, because this is my tent and I'm a nervous person,
Would have been funny if they were
is way over here and facing the woods.
Look up Google, figure out how to start it.
Are you done?
Oh, you're still here?
I'm bored now.
You can't just enjoy nature?
I was. I'm bored of it now.
Miss the drive-through job there? Well, don't sweat it, because the drive-through job there has
Woo!
Go to alt-
Still got your eyebrows?
click on the jobs
I always
tab.
have my eyebrows.
This will take you to several job opportunities.
Even when I caught my knee on fire, my eyebrows were intact.
How'd you do that?
The logo of the business
No reason.
Pouring gasoline on a fire or something?
Hey, I was 12.
Hey, it's still going.
Yeah, it takes a little bit to fucking put it out. There's embers everywhere.
He said this.
Sure. Oh, we found it. Oh my gosh. He's enormous. No, you can't do that. See, you're impaled. What's that? We did it. We slayed the beast. He can never get out of this. That hurt?
No.
Oh, okay. Hulk smash!
Oh God. I can breathe again.
You did it! Oh, it's cold again. There's Stick Boy in his natural habitat. You're getting real good at this, Travis. Oh, heck yeah. That'll last for a half hour.
All right, Dad. Which candy
Never
is
feeding
pink and
him
white
again.
and comes in a purple box?
Pink, white, and red all over. Tampon.
What candy is pink and white and comes in a purple box?
Tampons are not candy.
Oh, I didn't hear him say candy. I heard pink and white box.
Which candy is pink and white and comes in a purple box?
I didn't know they had candy pink and white.
It's an old candy.
That's probably why. I have no idea.
Good and plenty. Probably more than $25.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, the Washington Monument. I don't know.
Unless they marked it down to $25, you sure can't buy it. They needed to move it 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Play radio.
Ooh, that's mine. I just got so many properties. I need 75.
Good job.
Can you move me 6?
So well, you should get back.
This game's finally looking out for me in the last part.
Yeah, a little bit.
Hey!
Money,
I
please.
need 10 of those dollars back.
Is that your property?
Yeah, I need you to give me $10.
Oh, it's only you, slumlord.
Told you.
I gotta find a 10 in all my hundreds.
7.
Sure wasn't an 8.
You killed yourself. It's not that bad. Doing anything.
Arroyo.
Hey!
How much is it? 70?
50.
He was having some trouble with the tent, so we sent in the reinforcements. You should just snip one of the cords and be like, Dad, oh no, your tent's broken. Dad, you didn't say anything. Nothing happened. Just got back from dropping off my nephew. We all had a good time on our camping trip, and hopefully you guys had a good time watching this. Thanks for coming along and joining us. And hopefully there will be more like this, doing another camping trip later with my friend Angel. Probably record some of that. Anywho, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.